Hello everyone, my name is Andy Wacon and the third place I go to talk about is the Iguazú waterfalls. I choose this place because I like the biodiversity and the open place. The waterfalls are located in the Iguazú National Park between in the Misiones province of the Argentina and Brazilian state Paraty or Paraná, as we can see in the map. And the waterfall is one of the most visited places in Argentina and the second most visited place by foreigners in Brazil. For its unique characteristics, it was considered in 2011 to be part of the seven natural wonders of the world. The Iguazú National Park also offers other experiences such as fauna, boat tour, and the Devil Trot, which is a walk to the wild balconies and another on in front of the waterfalls. I think the view of the waterfall is astonishing and a unique experience to visit with family, friends, of your partners. If you plan to travel someday to Brazil or Argentina, don't forget to visit the beautiful waterfalls.